There is this visual bug in macOS Tahoe where app icons in the All Apps or Launchpad view appear duplicated, making it look like you have two of every application installed. In this specific glitch, your Mac displays twin icons for every app. While it looks like a storage-eating disaster or a failed installation, it is actually a purely visual cache error within the macOS Dock and Launchpad processes. This usually occurs after a system update like the jump to macOS Tahoe 26.3.1 or a major resolution change. macOS maintains a background database of where your apps are located. During an update, the system might rescan your applications folder and incorrectly register the same file path twice. The dock process, which controls the Launchpad UI, fails to clear its previous cache of icons before loading the new ones, leading to a stacked or duplicated view. Some users have reported this happening specifically when switching between a MacBook's built-in display and a high-resolution external monitor, causing the UI to double draw the icon grid. Here's how to fix it. You don't need to reinstall your apps. The fix involves forcing macOS to refresh its UI processes. Method 1. The killall reset. This restarts the dock and Launchpad without rebooting your whole computer. Open Terminal, hit that command space, type Terminal. Type the following command and hit Enter. Killall dock. Your screen may flicker for a second as the dock and Launchpad disappear and then reappear. The duplicates should now be gone. Method 2 is the Reset the Launchpad database. If the icons come back after a few minutes, you need to wipe the icon database and let macOS rebuild it from scratch. Open Terminal, then copy and paste this command which I included in this video description below. This will reset your Launchpad to the factory layout, clearing any ghost duplicates in the process. Method 3 is Safe Mode Flush. If you want to ensure all system caches are cleared, shut down your Mac, hold the power button until you see Loading Startup Options, select your disk, hold the Shift key and click Continue in Safe Mode. Log in, let the desktop load, then restart your Mac normally. Safe Mode automatically flushes font and icon caches that regular reboots miss. And that's about it for this video. Did you encounter this glitch on your machine? Comment it down below. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.